What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from a brand called Dudios. So today we have here Dudios M3 True Wireless Earbuds, and these earbuds goes for around $25. Now I normally review earbuds price range from like $50 to $100, but today I wanted to share with you guys these specific earbuds because this one only goes for $25 and currently available on Amazon. You can literally buy right now if you want. So I've been testing these earbuds for almost 1 week right now, and this sounds pretty good. Now please don't compare these earbuds with like maybe $100 pair of earbuds. These are pretty good for like maybe you can compare to like $50 earbuds, but for the price $25, these looks good, sounds pretty good, the build quality is pretty good, and the specs not so bad. So let me just give you guys a quick specs rundown, and then I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys and then give you guys my thoughts. Like I told you guys, I've been testing these for almost a week right now. I've been listening to different types of music, and yes, maybe these are not as good as like $100 pair of earbuds, but these are pretty good for $25. Trust me, definitely worth picking a pair. Alright, so the specs, the exact model, like I told you guys, Dudios M3, and then it does come with Bluetooth 5.0. Charging time is around 1.5 hour, and work time, basically with the full charge, you can use up to 5 hours. And also the frequency response is around 20 Hz by 20 kilohertz, and what else? The speaker size is around 10 millimeter. So you guys can read rest of the specs right here. Like you guys can pause and read. All right. So let me just open the box real quick so I can show you guys how these earbuds really looks. The box is pretty nice, simple, not all that fancy. You need to get a little foam. All right. And after you open the box, you will find the earbuds on the top right here, outside the charging case right here, and you also have the charging case here. Now they also have black version, but I opted for the white version. So guys, keep in mind I already did the unboxing before, because like I told you guys, I've been testing this for almost a week. So I put everything back in the box so I can show you guys, and you guys can see the charging case right here. Okay, really nice and simple. Okay, nothing too fancy. You have Dudios branding on the top right here, and then you have charging LED indicator here, and you also have USB Type-C for charging this case. So here you guys can see the earbuds. This looks really nice. Like these are not all that big, and it looks like Apple AirPods Pro. Okay, you guys can see there is a ear tips already pre-installed. Now I can just easily remove this one. I believe this one is a medium size one. So here is the ear tip, medium size, and here you guys can see the speaker right here. All right, and also you do have touch control, so you basically can control these earbuds like sound and stuff by tapping this part right here. Now you guys can see the mic right here. Okay, so let me try these real quick. The fitment is pretty good. All right, let's see what else we have inside the box. We do get 3 more ear tips, like 3 more pairs right here. Okay, so the one I have installed, I believe this one is medium. You have small, and you also have 2 other size like large and stuff, large and extra large. And we also have here charging cable, USB type C to USB type A. Warranty service card, and we have user manual right here. All right, so for $25, these earbuds are pretty good, at least sound quality wise. You can compare this to, like, let's put it this way, $50 earbuds. The bass is there, the mid is there, you know, the clarity is good, but it's not as good as like a $50 or $100 earbuds. Alright, now let's talk about the battery life. So with full charge you will get around 5 hours. Now the case and the earbuds combined, you can get around 25 hours. Now I didn't get to test these earbuds for 25 hours, but I did get to test these earbuds for like 10 hours, and these are pretty good. I still didn't get to charge these. I think still I have like what, 25% battery left or 30%, I'm not sure. Also, the reason I like these earbuds, because these come with IPX7 certification, so you can actually use these earbuds you know, in gym. So if you sweat, you don't have to worry about damaging these earbuds. These are pretty good. And you can also easily connect these earbuds to your Apple iPhone or Android phone. Alright, that should be it, guys. If you guys have any question, please leave your question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys, and see you guys next one. Peace.